Firstly, I'm going to beat together a quarter cup of butter and half a cup of sugar until the mixture turns slightly lighter in colour. After that, I'm going to beat in 3 eggs. Use 3 medium eggs, or if you have small eggs, use 4 or 2 large eggs. After that, I'm sieving in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to sieve in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and then 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. After that, I mixed in all my dry ingredients with the rest of the mixture. Then I given my mixture a quick beat with the electric beater. Now I'm going to grease my tray with a little bit of oil and a little bit of flour. Then evenate your mixture on your tray as best as possible. I got a pot that is heavy to lift, and in that pot I put in salt. If you don't have salt, you could put in sand, and then I preheated it for 20 minutes before putting my cake in. Make sure you preheat it on a low flame for 20 minutes. I also put a stand in there so I could put the cake on top of the stand. Then bake your cake for 30 to 35 minutes. Now I'm going to check with the toothpick if my cake is fully baked, and the toothpick came out clean, so that means the cake is fully baked. If it comes out with a bit of the mixture on, that means your cake needs baking a little longer. To decorate my cake, I made whipped cream with 284 millilitres of double cream and half a cup of granulated sugar, which I gradually added in whilst beating with an electric beater until my whipped cream was nice and fluffy. Then I topped my cake off with some cashew nuts. then I just surrounded the cake with some dates. And that's it, a quick simple tutorial on how to make a cinnamon and cream cake. It's very easy and I hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial. Now please subscribe and click the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time we upload a new recipe, new vlog or new video. Now please like this and share this video with your family and friends, and comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see in the future. Now thanks for watching, bye!